Now let's move on to the next portion of this exercise where we are going to discuss short questions and answers. The first question is, how much did she save for Christmas? The answer is, Della saved $1.87 for Christmas. She had collected this amount cent by careful buying of things. Second question is, why did she feel proud in the beauty of her hair? The answer is, Della felt proud in the beauty of her hair because she knew that they were more beautiful than any queen's jewels and gifts. They fell behind her back like a stream of brown water and reached below her knee like a dress. The third question is, why did she sell her hair? The answer is, Della sold her hair because she needed money in order to buy a Christmas gift for Jim, the man who was more valuable to her than any other thing. Fourth question is, why did Jim sell the gold watch? Jim sold the gold watch in order to buy an expensive Christmas gift for Della. He wanted to buy combs decorated with jewels for her. Next question is, why did they want to exchange the gifts? They wanted to exchange the gifts because they loved each other dearly. They wanted to make each other feel happy on Christmas. Sixth question is, why did she feel sad on losing her hair? The answer is, she felt sad on losing her hair because she did not look like the girl with the most beautiful hair whom Jim loved dearly, but a school boy. She feared that Jim might not like her with short hair and think of her as a girl who worked for money. Seventh question is, why did Jim not welcome her when he stepped in? The answer is, Jim did not welcome her when he stepped in because when he entered the house, he found her hair missing. He was disappointed because he was in the habit of looking at Della's hair with great pleasure. The next question is, what did he bring out of his coat? He brought out something tied in paper from his coat. When Della opened the packet, she found special combs for her hair. Second last question is, how beautiful was the gold watch chain? The answer is, the gold chain was simple, but its speciality was that it was made of pure and rich material. The last question is, what was the wisdom in selling the most valuable things? The answer is, the wisdom in selling the most valuable things was, they proved to each other that their love was selfless and these gifts would remind them that they valued each other more than any other thing. They sacrificed their most valuable things in order to make each other happy. So we are done with short questions and answers as well. I hope you have understood all these answers. Thank you.